Hi everyone, I'm Ankush, and in today's tutorial, we are going to extend our Hacker News to Slack subscription flow with if conditions and see how do you filter out results. Open up the app. For this tutorial, you need to follow first Hacker News to Slack tutorial. Link should be in the description. Let's say you don't want to filter out all the news from Hacker News blog by providing the keywords. So in this case, if we remove the keywords from Hacker News, it's going to provide us all the news that's there on the Hacker News. Now, in the iterator block, I'm going to add a filter condition. We're going to say if the title of from iterator contains we're going to need to see text contains. Okay, this is it. Let's say case insensitive Apple. So we are going to look for all the news that has Apple in it. And let's add Slack block inside. Let's drag and drop that. So it will now send a Slack message for all the news items which has Apple. Let's see how do we extend this condition. Let's say I'm going to click on or and I'm going to say if the title contains either Apple or if it's a news about Google. So let's say the title from iterator. Let's search for contains and let's say Google this time. Press done. So now let's test it out. We should only get news related with Apple or Google. That's how you filter out results from an array or use if conditions in Dcoder. Okay, we got some of the news related with Google blog from blog.google. Let's wait for some time, see if we get any other news. Okay, these are all related with Google or Apple. So we got another one from Apple also. So that's how the filtering or if conditions work in Dcoder.